I'm going to remove some of the oil, but I'm not changing the pot. I'm not rinsing the pot because all of the flavor is lodged in the bottom of the pot. So we want to keep that. Now, once we pour off majority of the oil, I'm going to add the vegetable, herbs, and spices. I'm also going to add some tomato paste to the pot to fry off also. Alright, to the same basin, I'm going to pour some warm or hot water to it. Right, rinse out all of the seasoning from the bowl and just add it. Right, I'm going to add some more water to the pot. I'm going in with some fish and meat sauce. Please go 5 minutes and then come back. After that 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add or return the chicken to the pot. So guys, I had this red peas from Christmas Day that I made rice and peas. It was too much. Add it to the chicken. And it was cooked with garlic, pimento seed. I'm just going to go in and just combine that. Cover the pot. Carrot, green and red bell peppers. So I'm going to add these to the pot. Alright, so I'm going to add the carrot last because I don't like when my carrot mushy. Alright, so I'm just going to give this like, say, 3 to 5 more minutes. And that's it.